Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today I want to talk to you about the referral program, the Tesla referral program that just ended at the beginning of this month, February 2019, with respect to YouTubers. As you know, the Tesla referral program, which is not unique to programs, so associates and referral programs it's a very common thing to many companies. Almost all of them will give you incentive if you bring a customer. Cable does it, everybody does it, so that's not unique. However, the referral program was very beneficial to Tesla. A lot of people sign in through that, and also beneficial for the people who actually put an effort to share their unique link with people who might be interested in buying that. I benefit from that. I got 6 months free supercharging, so I'm grateful for that. It was great. And YouTube, the platform of YouTube, is a powerful tool to promote and to spread the word of Tesla cars and get benefit from people who sign up. People who got new Teslas, new Roadsters, and on you go, all kinds of swag, free supercharging, and on you go. And Tesla ended it. Maybe it was too expensive, maybe they don't need it, maybe the prices were too steep. For whatever reason, this program has completely and totally ended. I bet you 25 cents it may come back in some variation, but it did end. My take is, will it influence YouTubers like me from, I don't have an incentive to promote Tesla on my YouTube channel, I'm just gonna go and do something else or whatever. Now, I can only talk about myself. I don't know what other people are gonna do. I have this channel for 3.5 years, and I've been promoting electric cars and solar panels since day one. My credo is change the world one electric car at a time. Way before I even thought that I would ever own a Tesla. And I will continue to put out a video every single day about electric cars and about solar panels, about the environment from that point of view, and that's what I care about the most. So to me, it's not going to make any difference, referral program or not referral program. I don't mind. I want viewers and subscribers, and I want to influence people, which I have done so much through this channel and through personal connection and influence and inspirations to others. So that's my motive. My motive is not the referral program at all. It was just a side benefit, and it's great that it was, and I don't care that it's not. Now, from some comments I got, a lot of people are kind of happy that people just did it for that, and and all kinds of different biased motives. To me, I can assure you, all my wonderful viewers, followers, subscribers, and Patreons, that to me it will not make a difference at all whatsoever. Will it make a difference on others? Now, I know many YouTube channels of electric cars that really committed to electric cars, environment, solar panels, modern driving, and all that stuff. That's not my motive. And their motive is the same. Their motive is to do just that. So, and I'm in that camp. Others, I don't know. What do you think? Will that affect, okay, here's my question of the day, will that affect YouTubers stop promoting Tesla because now there is no referral program benefit? Let me know your thoughts. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Be a Patreon and support my awesome channel so I can stay independent. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.